In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to select multiple elements on Wix, using two different methods. To begin, let's dive into the first method, which involves the use of the Shift key on your keyboard. Start by identifying the first element you wish to select. You can do this by moving your cursor to that particular element and clicking on it. Now, it's time to select the remaining elements. For this, press down the Shift key on your keyboard and keep holding it. With the Shift key in a pressed state, navigate to each of the remaining elements you want to include in the selection and click on them. This process allows you to extend the selection and include multiple elements concurrently. Moving on to the second method, let's discover how to select multiple elements on Wix using the marquee or the drag selection method. This process begins by positioning your mouse cursor just outside and to the side of the elements you wish to select. Now, continue to hold down the left mouse button. With the button still pressed, drag your mouse cursor around the target elements. In your screen, you'll see a graphical box being created that follows your cursor movement. Your goal should be to construct this box such that it completely encases all the elements you want to select. This may require some practice to get the hang of the distance and the drag pattern, to make sure all desired elements fit into the box. Once you've successfully shifted and positioned the box around your target elements, you can finish the selection process. You accomplish this by releasing the hold from the left mouse button. With this action, all the elements that are inside the created box will be selected. By mastering these two strategies, the Shift key selection and the marquee or drag selection, you'll be well equipped to handle multiple element selection on Wix. This will significantly speed up your workflow, especially in scenarios wherein you have to apply a single operation to several elements simultaneously. Go ahead and try out these methods on Wix and create your web pages more efficiently.